How to make progress bar in Notion. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm working with today. So here I have with the products, target number, and then current. So first thing that we are going to do is to get a percentage of this one. Now to do that, you can just go ahead and click the progress bar of yours and then click edit property. Here you are going to go ahead and click the formula, and I'm just going to go ahead and divide the current to target number. So this time for the current, I'm just going to go ahead and click that one and then put divide here, and then we're going to go ahead and click the target number, and then we're going to hit enter or click done here. Now after doing so, you can see that now we have this one. This is the decimal, so we can go ahead and change that by clicking the progress bar, edit property, and for the number format, we're going to change that to percentage. After getting the percentage, you have here the option. Now go ahead and click the bar here as your choice. So as you can see, you now have a progress bar. You can go ahead and then change this one. For example, if I were to put 1,000 here, which is the target, you can see that our progress bar also shows 100%. And that is how to make progress bar in Notion.